My name is Dawn Gomez. I am the office manager and the financial coordinator. I have been here at the office for 28 years now. Woodland Hills Family Dentistry is a family practice, exactly like the name says. So most of our patients come here and they feel very at home. It's very comfortable. We are very honest and straightforward with our patients. So it's a very nice family practice. We do all cosmetics and veneers, crowns. We do oral surgery and IV sedation. We offer all periodontal type surgeries, sinus surgeries, all on 4s. We take care of our root canals here in the office. We offer all x-rays digital. We have a CT machine here in the office, so we're able to do the CT scan and get the results immediately. So we don't have to refer patients out to other offices. It can be done here in-house, as well as the iTero, which is for scanning patients' teeth. So we can scan your teeth for crowns, other dental procedures, Invisalign, orthodontics, and it'll go to the lab immediately. So we have a wide range of dental procedures that we can take care of the needs of our patients. If you would like a wonderful dental experience, I would encourage you to come to Woodland Hills Family Dentistry. Give us a call, we're always available. Same day emergencies, come on in and see why everybody loves us.